Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Richard and today we're going to be installing Tomei unequal length headers along with the Tomei front pipe on my 2018 BRZ. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so the first step I'm doing right now is just trying to get the bass tune, the stock ECU tune from my Subaru BRZ. So just click on Subaru. Alright, BRZ, that's my model. And then I'm just gonna read the stock ECU real quick. So let's turn the ignition power on, press OK. So ECU reading in progress. Alright, so I'm done flashing my stock ECU. Alrighty guys, while Cardi B over there does his programming for his OPENFLASH tablet, we'll be wrapping his Uel Tomei header with some insulation wrap, mainly for insulating the heat because it's gonna be right on the engine bay. We want it to be as cool as possible, you know what I mean? Alrighty guys, so we finished up putting the car up on jack stands. We got all 6 just in case.
Man.
Sheesh.
100%.
Check how clean that wrap is.
You guys need a header wrap job, just let us know. 100 bucks.
Let us know, 100 bucks. Before doing anything with the O2 sensors, just make sure to take out the negative terminal of the battery. And after that, we just gotta take out the sensors right here. Then we can get started on the headers. Alright, so right now I'm just taking out the skid plate so we can have access to the header real quick. 12mm bolt with these plastic clamps right here. So basically we're gonna take those screws out, bango. And this one right there, that one right down the middle might be a tad bit hard. Alright, now to get the header bolts off, you just need a 14 and just a long extension just like that. Extension of the 2 months, bro. Holy shit.
There we go.
I feel like a car for a bit, bro. Nah. So as we're trying to take the header out from the overpipe, there's just one bolt that's a pain to get out. Alright, so this right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's very bolt. Oh wow, that shit is calling me. That shit is calling. Oh, I'm holding that bitch. Hit that.
Oh yep, that shit stripped.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so basically we couldn't get the bolt out, so we just got a Dremel just to cut that B off, you know what I mean?
And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing 3 songs to you because you are so dear.
I'm just cutting the nut from the bolt from the overpipe to the header, just because it's so stripped to the point where we can't even screw it out no more. Trying to get the header unstuck from the overpipe, so Chaz right now is trying to rip it out. You get him, bro. There we go. Good aim.
Alright, Richard, what do you have in your hands, bro?
Tomei header, baby.
Let's go, baby.
Hurry up! You're so anxious, bro. No, it's not getting so mad, bro. It ain't that serious.
I hear everyone doing this, just yelling at each other.
Fryer then, dummy.
Oh.
Did you drop that shit on the floor? Oh.
Bro,
AK, whose fault is that, bro? You're the one tilting, bro.
fucking stupid.
You're dumb, bro.
Hurry. Just grab it after.
Grab it now, bro. I watch tutorials on YouTube, bro. Put the fucking washer on. Wait. Drop it again, bro. Let me put my side on first.
Hey, watch out. I get sensors, cunt.
Guys, you need the right, bro.
Shut up, bitch.
Fucking whore.
Sometimes I wonder why I'm still in this group.
Got it already, stupid ass. You hate cars, bro. Right there. We're good.
Got it.
Yep. For sure. Yep, for sure. For sure, for sure.
Now that we got the headers in, we went ahead and put back the O2 sensors, reconnected them, put the clips back in, the two down clips over there for the black one, two gray clips on this side for the gray one. I'm currently taking off the bolts that connect the catback exhaust to the front pipe. After we take this out, we're gonna replace it with our aftermarket Tomei front pipe, one of a kind type shit. Oh, it's a 13, bro. 13 and the rest, this one over here, and then these two up in front here are both 14s. Get it right.
At the ceiling.
You motherfucker, you better motherfucking come down. Ow. Wow! About him, bro.
Okay, I won't.
Don't even. Bro, what's that?
Yeah.
One what, bro? One what, bro?
Bro, shut the fuck up.
Listen, talk. What the fuck, bro?
That's so fucking much, bro. That's so fucking weird, bro. No wonder you're fucking YouTube cursing.
Alright guys, one tip when doing this.
Hello.
Get an aftermarket overpipe. Cause that thing ain't budging for real. The dilemma that we're dealing with now is that we can't get the overpipe unstuck from the mid pipe. Or from the front pipe, sorry. I'm trying to download OPENFLASH. So once we're done, I can download the Stage 2 tune directly to my car. Damn, boy, invest in some PB Blaster, bro.
You need PB fucking
Invest in some PB Blaster.
This is not
Wow.
paid ads, non-paid ads.
Non-paid?
We're not sponsored.
Non-paid?
We're not sponsored.
Wow.
It's stuck on the hook.
Dang.
What hook?
Get even.
Alright, Tomei front pipe going in, baby. Almost there, almost there. Alright, everything's all installed. We're gonna turn it on for the first time. See if there's any leaks. See if it sounds good.
Yes, sir.
Let's go right quick. 3, 2, 1. I can't hear nothing. Hey, what you gotta say? Look how much airflow, bro. Down, motherfucker, down. Fuck, quick rev.
Bro, it has you have a burbo now.
See if there's any leaks, bro.
And I know my life is full of drama. I just wanna tell you what talk about the way you get calmer, bad karma. That's a sad story. Yeah, real bad karma. Condo in Miami, so that shit.
Yeah, so we ran into a problem here. Hood started smoking up, so we might think it's just the heat guard of the wrap that we put on the headers. And let me right over here. Shine that.
So right now,
That mesh thing right over there.
I think it's according to forums, they're saying that it's just since it's fresh or new. So there's it's trying to get used to the heat. So that's why it's causing a lot of smoking. Eventually, I think it'll die down or simmer down over time. But chances of finishing up the reading exhaust. The binders that are on top of the exhaust cage, they tend to burn off. That's what causes the smoking. Once they all burn off, then you're done smoking. But it's just designed like that. Relax, bro. Make it make sense, bro. Let's go.
Yeah, real bad karma. I just want the top, don't want a charmer. Talk about the boy and you get calmer. Bad karma, that's a sad story.